Good morning, children. How are you today? Okay, I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. So, obey your parents and be in your home, okay? So, in our last English class, in our previous class, we have started a new lesson. Is it? So, I have read the lesson for you and also I have told the story of that lesson also. Do you remember that? So, have you read it afterwards? Have you marked the new words in that? Okay, so if you have read it, you might have understood the story clearly. Is it? Okay, so listen to today's class. Okay, today I am going to explain that lesson for you. Okay, so we are going to see the third lesson from our new pathway book. Is it? So last class also we are reading this lesson only. So we are going to see the third lesson in our new pathway book and it is colorful shoes. Okay. So are you keeping your book with you? Be ready with your books, everything. Okay. Open that lesson, colorful shoes. Okay. So listen clearly and carefully. Okay. So we have seen the characters of this lesson in our previous classes itself, is it? Mr. Lewis, am I right? He is the sir of the children, and then the PE teacher, Jen, Jessie, Pam, and Shirley, is it? Mr. Lewis, PE teacher, Jen, Jessie, Pam, and Shirley. And also Jen's father is there, a shopkeeper is there, and other friends are also there. Okay, only four of their name is given, other children's name is not given here, is it? So these are the characters which was mentioned by some name. Okay, Mr. Lewis, PE teacher, Jen, Jessie, Tessie, Palm, and Shirley. Okay. Other than that, Jen's father is there, a shopkeeper is there, and some other children are there. Okay. So, are you clear with the characters? In the last class itself, we discussed this character. Is it? So, are you clear with the characters? Okay. So, shall we move to the lesson? Okay. So, the first page, see, girls, I have some good news for you inside this envelope. Your PE teacher has asked me to give you this. Give this to your parents, don't open it. Back at Jen's house, Dad, quick, open this. Mr. Lewis says there's good news inside. Say hello to me first, Jen. Your PE teacher is starting football lessons for you girls next week. Wow, real football? I can score 15 goals. Oh, yes, you can. The school will lend you each a ball to practice in the evenings. Great, and okay. So while I have read itself, you might have understood the story, is it? Because the previous class I have told the story, so you might have understood clearly. So I will explain it for you. See here. So the children, they were in the school. Okay. So we also, when we are in the school, if any important things, yeah, or if any important news, if the school want to say to your parents, what they will do, they will write it in your diary, is it? Or else they will paste that paper in your diary and they will send it, is it? Am I right? Okay. So in the same way, this school, the teacher, Mr. Lewis also, he is giving an envelope to the children. Okay. So their PE teacher has asked Mr. Lewis to give this envelope to the girls of that class. Okay. So have you understood? So Mr. Lewis is not the PE teacher. PE teacher has given Mr. Lewis this envelope to distribute it to the girls. Okay. So Mr. Lewis is giving this to the girls and he is saying that there is a good news in the inside this envelope, and it's an important news. So you should not open it from here. You take it to your home and you give it to your parents. Okay, so give it to your parents and ask them to open it, and they will read it and they will say it to you. Okay, so he didn't ask the children to open it from the school. Okay, he asked the children to take it to their home, and from the home the parents will read it. Okay, so in the home, she was eagerly waiting for father. We also, in from our school, if they have given any news, for example, the next month if they are going for a tour, what they will do? Earlier they will give that message, is it? They will ask us to get the sign from our parents, willing or no. Am I right? So during that day, what we will do, we will be, if we are interested to go to the tour, what we will do, we will be eagerly waiting for our parents, is it? When they will come, when they will read this news, and when they will sign it. Am I right? We won't like to eat, or we won't like to sleep also. We will be waiting for our parents. So in the same way, she doesn't know what is inside the envelope, but also she is waiting for her parent, for her father. And when he came home, she gave the letter to her father. Okay, and her father, he is saying that first you greet me, first you say hello to me. So we won't say good morning to our parents, is it? Good morning, good afternoon. Am I right? So we also should greet our parents. Okay, so this father is asking her to greet him, and after that I will read this news. Okay, so she gives the envelope to her father, and he opens it. Okay, she says that Mr. Lewis had told there is a good news inside this envelope, and he has asked us to give it to our parents and read it. Okay, so this father, he opens, Jen's father, he opens the envelope, and he says that from Monday, next week Monday onwards, your PE teacher will start football class for girls. Okay, so this is the good news. Okay, and this envelope also contains that what and all things they want to buy for this football practice. Okay, and it is given that the school will be providing a football for these children to practice in the evening. Okay, so from next Monday onwards, the next week Monday onwards, they are going to start the football class for girls, and the school will be providing footballs to the children for play. Okay, so this was the main thing in the envelope, and then it was given what and all thing is necessary. Okay, we can see that. Well, let me see. Each child will need an old t-shirt, a pair of shorts and socks. What about a jersey and shoes with studs? Can I have a real football stripe? Jen begs her father while he reads on. No, sorry, except for shoes. Mr. Louis want you all to have new shoes. We will go to the market tomorrow to look for a good pair. No real football things? Back in her room, Jen thinks to herself, I am going to make sure Dad buys football shoes, proper ones. Then I can score goals just the way FIFA heroes do. I bet the FIFA champions always had proper football boots with studs. I bet they didn't have to wear just any shoes. Okay, so this girl, already we have seen that she has given the envelope to her father, and he is reading what is inside, is it? And he is saying that the school will be providing an a football for them to play in the evening. Okay, and what are all the other necessary things is given in that letter. Okay, so it was given that they need a old t-shirt. Okay, it's not necessary for getting a new t-shirt. They need a old t-shirt and a pair of shorts, a pair of socks, everything they need. Okay, so they need a old t-shirt, a pair of shorts, and also socks. Okay, and then during that time while he is reading that, Jen, she is interfering in the middle and she is asking, what about the football shoes? Because the main thing is shoes, is it? So she is saying that she need the real football shoes with studs. Okay, so she no need any other football. She need the real football shoes with shirt studs. Okay, so she is asking her father. We also, if we want anything, we will ask repeatedly to our parents, is it? So in the same way, she is asking her father repeatedly. Okay, so he is saying that, okay, I will get you a shoe. We will go to the market the next day. Okay, so everything, he has read everything and he has told everything, and he tells that we can go to the market the next day, and she is saying that she needs the real football shoe, not the ordinary one. Okay, so she come back to her room, and in her room she is thinking that, what, thinking about the shoes. Okay, so she is thinking that she want to confirm whether her father buys her a proper shoes. Okay, proper shoes means that is football shoes with studs. Okay, so she is thinking about that, and if she had a good football shoes, she can win many points, she can score many goals. Okay, that was her only thought in her mind. Okay, and she is saying that the FIFA heroes, this was an international government, a team. Okay, a play football team. Okay, FIFA heroes. So this these players, because they are wearing the proper football shoes only, they are getting scores. Okay, so that was the thought of whom, this little girl. Okay, so she is thinking that this, the people, those who are scoring many goals, have a proper football shoes. So if she is also having a proper football shoe, she will also be scoring many goals. Okay, so this was a main thought in her mind. So she is thinking that she want to check whether her father is buying her a real football shoe or not. Okay, want to play, Jen? No, Tazzy, not today. Dad and I are off to buy new football shoes. We have got ours already. Jen and her dad arrive at the market. A shopkeeper calls out loudly, get your shoes here. Running shoes, football shoes, shoes for every sport. All sizes, all colors. Cheap shoes here. Red, green, yellow, they don't cost much. No thanks. I'm going to start football lessons next week. I'm buying real football shoes with studs like the ones champions wear. Okay, so that day night she was thinking in her room about the football shoes, is it? And the next day her friends, they were playing there, and during that time when Jen came there, they are calling her to play. Okay, so she is saying that, no Chelsea, I'm not coming to play because my father will take me to the market today and he will buy me football shoes. Okay, and these children, they were saying that we have got our new shoes already, we have bought it already itself. Okay, so she is very much eagerly waiting for that shoe, so that she is not going with her friends and playing. Okay, so what her father did, he took her to the market. Okay, so when they are going to the market, the roadside shops will be there. Have you seen in roadsides many shoe shops, many fancy shops and all will be there. Okay, so a shopkeeper from that shop, he is saying that he is calling, he has many shoes there, the shoes used for running and football, everything. Every kind of sports shoes are there in his shop, and many colors, yellow, green, many color shoes are also there in every size and in every color. Many shoes are there, so he is calling the way. We also, when we are going to some marketplace, we can find the shopkeepers calling us, is it? They will say, they will be calling loudly, and they will be saying many things are there, it rates only, the cost is only very low. In the same way, this shopkeeper also calling loudly. Okay, during that time, Jen is, she is replying to that shopkeeper that no, I'm going to buy new football shoes with studs because I'm going to start football class. Okay, next Monday onwards in my school, they are going to start the football class. So I'm going to buy real football shoes with studs. I'm not going to buy here. I will go to another shop which has real football shoes. Okay, and they crossed that. They were not going inside that shop, and they were crossing that shop. Okay, Jen and her father go to many big shoe shops. They try on many shoes, but none of them seemed to fit right. Either the size was not right or they were very expensive. Jen's father realizes that they cannot afford shoes at the store. Well, just have to get a pair of those colorful shoes from that man we crossed some time ago. The colors are lovely. I'm sure you will like them better than these costly ones. Oh, Dad, but they don't have studs on the outsole. I will never become a famous footballer. Costly shoes don't make great footballers, Jen. Hard work and intelligence do. Welcome, sir and ma'am. I know you would come back. Nowhere in this entire world will you find shoes like you will find here. I have just the right pair for you. They are just the right kind to learn to kick a ball well. Okay, so this Jen and her father, they crossed that shop which is in the side of the market. So they went to many big shoe shops. Okay, they went to many big shoe shops, and they are, she is putting every shoes. Okay, whatever shoes she likes, she is seeing whether the size was correct or not. Okay, and sometimes the shoes which she was wearing, the size will be very big or very small. Okay, the size will be not correct, and sometimes if the size is correct means it will be very costly. Okay, it will be very expensive. So Jen's father thought that he can't give money, he can't provide that much money for this shoes. Okay, so he thought that anyway we can go to the old, the shop near that market they have crossed some time ago, is it? So they can go to that shop, and he says to Jen that we no need shoes from the shop. We can go to that shop, and it has many colorful shoes, and you will like that shoes. Okay, so during that time she is saying that no, father, in that shoes we don't have studs on the outer sole. Okay, so there is no real football shoes there, and if I didn't get any real football shoes or the football shoes with studs, I will not score many marks, many goals. Okay, so during that time her father is saying that it is not the matter with the shoes. Okay, so if you have hard work and intelligence, you can score many goals, but it is not the matter whatever shoe you wear. Okay, so this was the answer given to Jen by her father, and afterwards they left that shop and they went to that roadside shop in the market. Okay, which they had passed. Okay, so when they went to that shop, the shopkeeper told that, yes, I know that anyway you will be coming here, because while going away from that shop, he was calling that Jen and her father, is it? They have many colorful shoes, and he thinks that they can't afford much money for this shoes in the big shop. Anyway, they will be coming back here. Okay, so he says that in the entire world, you can't find any shoes like here, any shoes like here. Okay, so in the he is saying great about his shop itself. Okay, he is saying that every kind of shoes will be here, and you cannot find the shoes in any other shops. Okay, so sometimes if we are going to some shops, the shopkeepers will say, is it, you can't find this object at this price in other shops. If you are going to take any dress, they will, if the dress is 500 rupees, they will say that. If you are asking that for 450, they will say that no, we will not reduce this rate because you can't find this dress for this rate in other shops. The rate will be very expensive, they will say, is it. The same way, this man is also, he is saying great things about his shops to this Jen and her father. Okay, so have you understood up to this much? And the remaining story I will be explaining in the next class. Okay, so that we have seen that in the beginning of the story, Mr. Lewis had given an envelope to the children, and which was given by the PE teacher, and he asked them to give it to their parents. Okay, so Jen, after coming to her home, she give it to her father, and he opens it and he reads, and he says that it's about the football class and also the things that is needed for the football class. Okay, so because they need shoes for football class, the next day they were planning to go to the market and they were planning to buy the football shoes. Okay, so at the beginning they goes to a big shop, and in that shop the shoes were, the size of the shoes will be very big or very small, and if it fits her, it will be very much expensive. So that Jen's father think that he can't afford for this, and he takes her to the shoe shoe shop which is in the side of the market. Okay, so up to this much we have seen today. The remaining story we will be seeing on the next class. Okay, I hope you all have understood this. Thank you, students.